Welcome to Revolutionize Small Spaces, Build a Space-Saving Vertical Herb Oasis. I'm your host, and today we'll be exploring an innovative and creative way to maximize limited gardening space. Are you tired of having a small outdoor or indoor area but still desire fresh and flavorful herbs? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of building a space-saving vertical herb oasis that will transform your small space into a thriving haven of greenery. Are you a gardening enthusiast but struggle with limited space? Do you crave the convenience of having fresh herbs at your fingertips, even in the smallest of apartments or balconies? Fear no more. In this tutorial, we will teach you how to build a vertical herb garden that will not only save space but also add a touch of natural beauty to your living space. How to revolutionize small spaces with a vertical herb garden. Step 1. Plan and prepare. Before getting started, it's essential to plan and prepare your vertical herb garden. Measure your available space and decide on the best location for your oasis. Take into account factors such as sunlight exposure, accessibility, and aesthetics. Choosing the right herbs. Consider the herbs you'd like to grow. Whether it's aromatic basil, refreshing mint, or robust rosemary, choose herbs that you commonly use in your cooking or enjoy the fragrance of. Different herbs have specific requirements, so make sure to select those that thrive well together. Step 2. Gather materials. Next, gather the materials required for building your space-saving vertical herb garden. You will need vertical garden pots or planters, suitable soil mix, a sturdy wall or stand, drill or hooks, hanging hardware, and the herbs you've chosen. Prepare your materials and ensure everything is easily accessible. Step 3. Design and assembly. Now comes the fun part, designing and assembling your vertical herb oasis. Utilize your creativity to arrange the pots in an appealing manner. Ensure the bottom pots receive enough water while redirecting excess moisture to lower levels. You can also add decorative elements such as colorful labels or small garden ornaments to personalize your oasis. Proper drainage. Remember, proper drainage is crucial for the health of your herbs. Add some small pebbles or stones at the bottom of each pot to prevent waterlogging and aid in drainage. Step 4. Herb placement and care. Once you've set up your vertical herb garden, it's time to place your herbs and provide them with the care they need. Take into consideration each herb's light and water requirements. Some herbs prefer direct sunlight, while others thrive in partial shade. Ensure you water them adequately and occasionally fertilize to encourage healthy growth. Step 5. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Congratulations! You've successfully revolutionized your small space with a fantastic space-saving vertical herb oasis. Now it's time to reap the rewards of your efforts. Harvest your fresh herbs whenever you need them, adding vibrant flavors to your culinary creations and aromatic scents to your environment. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey to revolutionize small spaces with a space-saving vertical herb oasis. Now, it's your turn to take action and create your very own herb garden masterpiece. Don't let limited space limit your gardening dreams. Like, share, and subscribe for more innovative gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!